everyone, hi to all. Today we will discuss about how to download the Photo Story 3 for Windows and also how we will use this software. From this software you can easily make the video from different digital photos. First you will write there in that one Google Chrome Photo Story 3 for Windows. You can easily download from here. You will click on it and you will download. After downloading, how you will install that one software? Simple there, double click on it and you can easily install this software. I already installed that one, that's why I am not installing again. Okay, how you will use this software? It is very easy. It is using for the kids, 2 class for 3 class and also for class 4 you can easily use. This window will be appear, welcome to Story 3 for Windows. Now after that we will begin a new story. We will click here. After clicking that one, you will import different picture from here. Import pictures. Import picture. Now you will select different picture, digital picture with you. Right? I am going to search about the different pictures. Now we go there for picture. Now here some picture with me, right? These are the pictures. Okay, now receive files. Right, for example, I have this picture. I will select Control A. You will select all, or if you want to select 3 or 4 pictures, you can. Right? I will click OK there. After clicking OK, now it will be importing the pictures. You will wait for a while. Dear learners, please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. I make the new video, it will automatically come. And please give the comments about video. Okay, now it will take time. Now we wait for a while. This is free software. Now we will move here from picture 1, right? Now 2 picture, 3 picture. Okay, now when you click here, if you want to edit this picture, you can. We click on edit. Now this is called rotate the picture. This one for counterclockwise. Can this one for clockwise, right? You can crop the picture also. If you click here, the crop only this will be come just like that, right? And also add effects. Okay, you can add the effects, right? Black and white, just like that. Now it will be in black and white. Now okay, save. We save that one. After saving, you will close this one. Now we will go for the next. Now here you can insert the title. For example, I want to write the name. Now it is top or down, right, center and left, right, center and left. Okay, this one top or down, right? And also you can change that one, the name, different color, bold. I want to increase the size. I will change the color, right? And also click this one. Right? I can here you can insert the effects. you can. These are my old picture. We will go for the next and also the next. Inside that one you can easily insert the music. I want to insert the music, this one. You can import the music or you can download the music from the Google. Go for the next, you can preview that one also. Next, go for next, and you can store, right, location. You give the location where you are storing. For when simple music, it will be there. You will give the name. I give the name this one, and I save the project with, right, simple view music Wajid. Okay, 3. After that, it will be saving the project. It will take some time. Okay, dear learner, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and write write the comments also. Okay, now I will upload different type of videos there. Okay, next it will be prepare and mixing the audio with it. It will take time. It is very interesting software, and you will save your memories. If you have different photos, you will scan that photos, and after scanning that one, you will easily make a video for it, and you can insert different type of song with it in background music. Now we will wait for a while. It will be complete. It will be generating the video. This one is my channel. You will subscribe this channel. Abdul Wajid Khan Yousafzai. My name Abdul Wajid Yousafzai. I make different videos there, and also you can go through that video for nursery level, KG level 1, 2, class 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and also O level and A level student also go through it. Okay, now we will exit from it. After exit, now we will go through it where our video in simple. Now you will see here I give the name only Wajid. Now you will see when you double click on it, now it will be run. You can pick the screen. This one I visit to Sindh, Rodi Sakhar. I meet with my old friends there. Now Sakhar Beraj in Sindh. 67 doors of Sakhar Beraj. Now you can take care by yourself. Subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.